Hi everyone. I just realized that this route is also belong to part of the trail to trail checkpoint. So now I think there's this nice little bridge from on top of me. Not sure where it goes to. Better to stick on to my original plan. Maybe it's going to try on this bridge sometime later. Looks like it's going to go to the other side of the Punggol, so it's going to get some interesting. For now it's crossing some bridge over here. So now we are back to this. I believe it's just not the same area that we have here to the Ring Bridge. So you can see over here the HDB is quite interesting. Wow. Just facing the canal, and you have a block in front of you. Not sure about this, not sure how much this ride is going to cost. So it's going to be interesting to know the price of this flat. So now there's another kind of bridge over here. I think we stick to what we have in front, go straight forward. Yeah, not sure how it goes. And I'm going to go straight forward to see what do we have in front and get back to you guys again. Thank you. Yeah, I almost lost my way. So back was where I came from just now. So when I see this straight road and at the right side is another mall, I thought that I should follow the PCN route to my left side, but actually it's a wrong route. This is going back to, I think you can go back, still go back by that way, but I think it's going to go back to where was I just now coming from. So we need to cross this bridge over here and proceed on. We should be able to maybe about another time, a few, maybe half an hour or so. Yeah. So okay, now I check we are on the right track, so proceed on. And so it's still a nice weather. I think this part of the park here is quite shady, and there's a lot of trees to block you from the sunlight. Quite a nice environment. I think it's best to stay here, and you can actually immerse in the kind of like really in the garden kind of environment. It's kind of like a mini garden in a small garden. So that's the thing. Over here it seems a lot of people taking the morning walk now, so kind of interesting. And it's going to somewhere before we can reach the wetland or the Great Bridge. And yeah, quite interesting. Over here the buildings, I think each of the block is actually unique, so I'm not sure. Yeah, normally you will have every kind of HDB flat to be similar, and then to bring the cost down. But over here I think, I'm not sure they are condo or HDB flat? Oh, pretty confused. No. So I think along the way I saw some coffee shop or some eatery that allows you to sit at the table to admire the scenery. People passing by along the canal, along the bridge. Quite interesting. I'm very glad that I take the chance to run this route this morning, and very interesting to explore this part of Singapore. Even though I come to Punggol, Sengkang so many times, but never really have a chance to explore on this running track. I think you have a small community, whether it's a playground for the kids to play around, and then we'll reach a kind of a shopping mall where there's a bridge you can cross over to buy your accessory stuff. Quite nice, very interesting. I think it's very nice to stay on this part of Singapore. So now we're going to proceed on. I think we should. Yeah, this is part of the road. Road the other side will be the part where we ran past earlier during the starting of the route. So now it's the base. Another part. So you see here, there's a eatery over here that allows you to buy your food, sit on the table itself, and then you get to enjoy. Oh, there's a bicycle shop here. Oh, interesting. Oh. Keep on running. So I think this is kind of part of a small little community. I think the usual setup will be for my side at Buddha Reservoir. There will be a big market and a hawker center right in the center of the bigger community, and there's no canal. And yeah, but you get a variety of food and many shop houses where you can go around shopping in the neighborhood. And I'm not sure how does all this small community work out. Yeah, quite interesting that Singapore is going to, I mean the newer town is developing this kind of concept, and let's see how it goes. Amazing route, and thank you and bye. Okay everyone, once again I'm going to cross the bridge again, and also I'll come back again to the bridge, and this is almost coming to the end of the run today. So today the runway is about, it should be about 12 km, so quite interesting. Just after the rain, and start the run at about 8 plus morning on rush hour. So, and it's a weekday, and not much human traffic. So we have run through the upper top balcony canal of this Punggol settlement, and also pass by the residential area with a lot of community residential area, so it's get kind of interesting. Yes, go that side. Getting disorientated just now. So this is the Lorong Halus Wetland part of the Singapore. So getting interesting. So you can actually, I think there's no entrance fees, but parking, I'm not sure whether you can park at the roadside. So there's no nearby car park. Or alternatively, if you are driving, you can actually park at the Sengkang side, maybe multi-story car park, and take a small little walk, and you can pass by the Sunrise Bridge, and you can reach the wetland resource. So it's kind of good here, good weather. I think the time now is about 9 plus to 10, so not sure because of my watch. Oh, I have the phone. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's about 10 now, 9:45. So yeah, not good performance today. I think need to improve on my running and then doing the recording. So yeah, please if you're still watching the video, please help to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, and please like my video. I will try to improve my video taking on this kind of interesting. Oh, I need to cost. Oh wait, oh yeah, I can go the other side. I can improve on my taking video on this kind of running, and hopefully I have some other idea to explore other part of Singapore. And lastly, please like, subscribe, notification button. If there's anything topic that you want me to speak on, and let me know in the comments down below, and try my best to, yeah, whether it's a weight loss thing or software programming kind of thing, let me know. And I will see you guys again real soon in my vlog, hopefully on Wednesday. I think definitely tomorrow is going to work, and no talking in the morning, so take a day break from jogging, and hopefully I'll be back on Wednesday again, and catch you guys soon. Thank you for the support. Fitness runner here, and thank you very much. Thanks everyone. Have a nice weekday ahead, and looking forward to the weekend again. Thank you. Bye.